Welcome back to our Wix Automations series. Want to reward your best customers, recover an abandoned cart, or welcome a new subscriber with a special offer? The best way is with an automatic coupon. This action not only generates the code, but also makes it easy to send it directly to your customers in an email. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up an automation that generates and sends a coupon code. On your site's dashboard, go to the left and select Automations. Create a new automation and select Start from Scratch. Don't forget to rename your new automation. Alright, now it's time to set your trigger. Decide what event should earn the customers a coupon. Common triggers for that include an abandoned cart, when visitors submit a form, or when a new member signs up. In my case, I'm going to select Checkout Abandoned. But feel free to select any trigger you want. It all depends on you. So I'm going to set the additional settings here. You also need to do that as well. Depending on the trigger you selected, the things you're going to need to set up here could vary from what you see in my screen. So go ahead and set it up according to your needs and preferences. Once you're done setting things up on the left panel, review everything, make sure there are no mistakes, and if everything's all good, click on Apply. Now let's add a condition. Click on this blinking plus button and select Action. Now for your action, make sure to select the Add a Coupon action. And then here on the left, you're going to need to set up the settings here. So you're going to need to, in this case, select the type of coupon code you'd like to use. You have two options, a unique single-use coupon code or a fixed coupon code. So this first option generates a different one-time use code for every single customer, while the fixed coupon code option sends the same static code every time. So feel free to select an option. Now click on Select and select a coupon you've already created in your Wix Coupons area. If you haven't made one yet, you can click on Create New to create a new coupon. Once you're done selecting, click OK. Then review everything, and if everything's all good, click on Apply. Alright, the Add Coupon action generates the code, but it doesn't send it. You need an action to deliver the code. So click on the plus button once again and select Action again. Now this time, select Send an Email as your action. Make sure to set your sender details correctly, as well as your email type and recipients. For your recipients, make sure that the emails from trigger 1 or the first trigger is selected. Now let's go back to the top and work on our email content itself. So under the Create an Email section, click on Edit. You'll now be taken to the email editor. Go to the section where you would like to insert your coupon code. If you don't have a section yet, you can add a new one. So you can add a new text section right here. Once you do that, go to the left and under Dynamic Content, select Add Personalized Content. On this pop-up window, click on this field and then select Coupon Code. Also add a fallback text. A fallback text is a substitute for missing information so that a message remains complete and meaningful instead of being a simple blank or a confusing code. Your fallback text will be entirely up to you. Once you're done, click on Add. And in my case, I'm going to remove it here and just display my coupon code. So this code over here will automatically be replaced with the automatically created or automatically generated coupon code. Apart from inserting your code, you can also design your email and change its messages, change its theme, and add a background to it. Once you're done, review your email content and make sure that there are no mistakes. Once everything's done, click on Save and Continue. And you'll be taken back to the automation editor. Click on Apply, Double check your flow to see if everything's all good. And if everything looks good, click on Activate to start running your automation. And that's it. You've successfully automated a powerful marketing tool that will help you convert more sales with highly personalized coupon offers. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit like and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.